I think he's still finding his way, but he's made the right changes thus far. No? Si Mayor Brian is a very thinking and analytical individual. No? Talagang, um, I've told him at times na not to think too much, just go. Kasi yun din ang nakikita ko sa mga mayor na magagaling. Paminsan, hindi nag-iisip, nag-action lang, di ba? At yun ang kailangan din most of the time. At yun ang gusto ng mga tao. So, si Bri can be overly cautious because he's very cerebral. So talagang iniisip niya lahat kung anong kung anong mangyayari, kung anong mga downsides or risks. But he's very well studied. He works very, very hard. I think he's made the right changes naman. He just needs to siguro not be too cautious. Go lang. Kasi I think tama naman ang kanyang instinct, tama naman ang kanyang gut at ang kanyang direction or sa Lawag City.